This is the knee that mommy got the surgery on.
Coming down with my baby.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain,
I'm still loyal. I'll hold it down for you, ain't a thing change. Yeah, I'm still loyal.
You might want to know why I have this on my head, and it's pretty much because my hair is in a mess and I just feel like this mask my hair a little bit, right? And we need some masking right now. To be honest, we need to mask the hair right now. Anyhow, welcome back to my channel, y'all. I hope you all are doing amazing, and I just want to say thank you so much for the support on my last vlog. Like the comment section of any last video was just filled with so much love and so much support. It's filled with so much love and support. I am so appreciative of it. My mother is appreciative of it. Like, we as a family, we appreciate all the lovely comments and all the positive vibes. So we ended off last vlog with me telling you all that I would have given you all an update on my mom if she came home, because the vlog ended on the Saturday, I think, and mommy was supposed to reach home on Sunday. And that footage was supposed to be joined on to that vlog, but I just found the vlog to be so long, and I was like, nah, we can't go more than this. So I was like, you know what, I'll give them this Sunday, right? So we're gonna go a little bit back in time, and I'll just kind of catch you all up, bring you all back to my present life right now, and we'll go from there. So I hope that you'll enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. So enjoy. Y'all, so we are currently heading to San Fernando to get mommy. Today is Sunday. Oh, I felt like I didn't have my seatbelt, but yeah, today is Sunday and she is coming home today, so we are on our way. We're gonna stop by Rituals first because Sarah and I feel for Rituals. Yeah, feeling ritualsy today. Say hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
Hi. Right, so we're gonna head in. Dario want praline and cream. He always, well, they don't have praline and cream apparently. Praline and caramel or whatever they have.
I'm gonna take some peanut butter.
Okay. That man real on your side, boy.
And a bowl fish, sir.
What did you? But yeah, I don't know. Dario, watch this man. Okay. Yeah, peanut butter. I don't do peanut butter, so. But I either will take like a praline and something.
Before you and I were together, I don't wish to take pralines and cream.
I don't even, why they would stop pralines and cream? That's literally the best selling. It must come too high in the man and they don't have the stuff it. But they have pralines and caramel, which I never tasted that one before. Somebody, I'll go to ask. It's you? Okay, good, yeah. I thought it was Sugar when she came. But yeah, I might take a smoothie, like a passion fruit smoothie.
Do you remember the Starbucks that I sent you?
No.
It was...
You would have tried Starbucks?
I tried that one.
Seriously?
That one looked real nice.
I don't know. I don't remember it. But anyhow, Dario, apparently they open in a Starbucks in the middle of the Piaco. Yeah. How you feel about that?
That is not the place for that.
That's not the place for that.
I know mine Starbucks being in the thing, eh?
Yeah.
But I know the place for that.
Yeah, boy, that's real weird. Like, it's such a waste spot to put it, but apparently they put in it, so nothing we could do even if we don't like it. When you're rich, when you have money.
You could do anything.
Yeah, you can buy me and also, like I talk. But anyhow, that's what they do, and they put in that big Starbucks in the middle of the airport where they usually have like display, and I think like sometimes they'll have like carnival costumes and like, you know, like our like culture. And now they're gonna pass Starbucks, which let me be. No, if they put KFC, that's the culture.
Yeah, no, not take off first KFC.
Yeah, but a Starbucks are stinking watery. Oh yeah, this Sahara just messing up Dario like, big time.
If you look, you can't see nothing.
You can't see nothing. Let me see.
The whole place is milky.
Oh god, like my phone, huh? Just not to clean my lens all day. I tell them I'm greasy. Oh yeah, did I ever tell them I should take off my braids? Yeah, I think I did. Yeah. Like all the month, even like what it was when we were in San Fernando, when we were coming from San Fernando, you couldn't see nothing, you couldn't see none of the hills. We passed by the Mosquito Creek and it was literally like just like cloudy, like so dusty. So
one little walk I take.
Yeah, boy.
I feel like I died.
Yeah. Dario got his car clean out and thing today. But only I had to wear 2 masks to come outside because I was like, I don't want to risk it because I have bad sinus. So I wear 2 masks to come outside. But yeah. To Piaco Plaza now, that honestly thinking if we should buy the rituals there, but then if not there, where else? You remember what happened when I buy the iced coffee there?
See.
Kid. You're not using good. This thing I don't know where else.
They stop off and show us.
You think they just have nice ones? But better we do that because I'm afraid with this Piaco Plaza because it tastes bad now, even though when I did the taste test on the frozen iced chocolate, we bought it right by Piaco. I had no issues, but I just feeling scared because the iced coffee tastes so bad. But I guess we'll see, we'll update you. But for now, we're going to have a safe drive in the name of Jesus to, I guess, Shogunas if we decide to go Shogunas instead of the Piaco. Yeah. So we'll catch back up with you all later. Bye. Oh, yeah, look at that. You can't even see the mountains. You can't see the mountains, the hills. You can't see nothing. Look at that. We saw that dust and all there. It's a sunny day. It's not to say it's rainy.
Like overcast. Like
yeah.
Overcast, like dust.
Yeah, boy, you can't even see the nice green color. That is what's affecting us. Like Dario literally feeling it dust in his throat. So that is wow, bruh. Well, let's stay safe out there. Wear a mask, wear a double mask, you know, because this isn't easy. People with respiratory issues, be careful.
We saw jump videos of them people in China. They don't jump on and walk around with masks because you have a shot.
Yeah.
That's how I feel.
Wow. Damn, Daniel. Why do I think I feel like I was the only person that still say that, you know, like that. So I remember the time I said it, I'm sure I was like that. So 2000 and something. Damn, Daniel. Do you all still say that, or is it only me? Apparently we're going by this Starbucks here in Sun Plaza. So Dario, find a drink that you wanna try. I feel like how they have made this up.
Okay. Not bad. I don't know.
I find it still watery. I feel so. Yeah, I feel so. Yeah, because I think we are accustomed to rituals and we feel something sweet. Only Dario buy this cookie crumble thing and I buy in some caramel macchiato. I feel it's just that Starbucks probably more watery than rituals. I feel so. So that's why my taste get accustomed to rituals now. Yeah, I feel that's just the problem. Yeah. Alright, so this is my caramel macchiato. I shall put Ray TV on it. Yeah, so I had to mix it up and it tastes a little bit better. Dario don't like it at all. This is the kind of iced coffee that I will make home though. Except I don't have caramel. But it's not bad. Cheers.
What you call an icon living? Try to make a little mistress, just did it. I love over 5 minutes. Whoa, we up too hot in the place.
Well, you know, I'm very, very, very honest. And I will say that this tastes so much better than the rituals that we tried that day, that iced coffee. This is so much better than that, I have to admit. You all know I'm not a Starbucks lover and I'm always team rituals, but I had to get Jackie Jackets. I have to, like that. This tastes so much better than the rituals. Like I am. Yeah, I am so shocked that I'm admitting it, but I have to, like, well, why would I lie? You know? Yeah, I really prefer this one. So maybe I'll give rituals another try, a different branch, but that Piaco Plaza one. Well, so the customer service in Starbucks was very, very good, like real good. Every time I go to Starbucks, I don't do no extra pump. I just be like, I can get this, I can get that, I can get this. Last time when I went to Rituals, the one that I didn't like is because I tell them to put an extra pump of espresso. That was an extra pump of water. But this, I could deal with this. Dario hates it, but I could deal with this. What was your own?
Okay.
except that all the caramel is sticking up to the bottom and to the top, so you can't really mix it in properly. But yeah, we in where we is right now?
What you call an icon living? Try to make a little mistress, just did it. 9 long over 5 minutes. Whoa, we up too hot in the bed. Want to make a movie independent. Need new tracks independent. I need to really listen to the vision. All the verses really dirty. I'm about to clean them in the kitchen. If we making money by the minute. I'm about to go away different. I am just an icon living. I am just an icon living.
Hi Dario. Dario.
You just have me on Facebook and need you anyhow.
On Facebook? You know me to be on Facebook? Well, there we home now. This is the knee that mommy got the surgery on. We don't like to be on camera, so mommy could tell them how's your experience. How you feeling?
I'm just in a lot of pain still.
Yeah.
But I've been doing fine.
Alright, nice. So this is the earlier road to recovery. Try we're making a little saltfish here.
It had a boil down, but
Right, nice, nice. Dumpling finish. Nice. And plantain here. Nice.
nice.
Throwing here.
Oh.
Alright, so we're back to present day life now. So mommy has been home since Sunday, and at first it was like a lot of pain. It was like a lot of adjusting for everybody, actually, not just her but for us as well. And we kind of have like a little bit better understanding of what she is going through, and I think she's understanding what she is going through a little bit more, so she's able to push where she could push. But what I could say is that she's doing everything that her doctor and the physio advised, doing her little well, I don't really want to call it stretches, but her, let's just say her little exercises. She has been doing her exercises. It's a lot of pain, but she has been making progress and starting to move a little bit more on her own. She has been icing the area. I just carried her ice pack inside. So we're getting a groove, we're getting accustomed to it, we're adjusting to it, because obviously when a person has like a knee replacement surgery, it is a lot to adjust to. It is something that is new, like a lot of changes, but it's temporary changes because she will be okay soon. And then she has to do her other knee when this one recovers. But at least at the end of the day, we're just praying that she will be in like less pain in terms of like her knee. She has to go back just now again to remove these stitches and the whatever, and for the doctor to check up and everything, and basically check up to see how she is going, and then based on that he will know what he has to do. So she has to do that soon. And when I say that I have a good support system, it's not just like family. I also am referring to you all, because so much of you all left so many nice comments and so much encouraging comments. You all are a part of my support system, so I appreciate that so much. Somebody asked me in my last video when I was going to do the question and answer, so I want to film a question and answer either tomorrow, please God, when I come here, and have that up for you all as soon as possible, because you all are send them questions a long time. I'm so ashamed now. So but yeah, that's all the updates. So I'll put back up my camera later because we're supposed to go to the grocery, and then Dario and I actually want to get sushi later, and then he might come here and we're going to start to watch Stranger Things, the new season that just came out. So that's the vibe for today, and I will let you all know what we're doing. I'll pick back up my camera a little bit later. We are at Extra Foods, and this is aka what? We don't need this, but we need pizza crust. Come on, come on, y'all. We don't need that. Well, we're here buying punch. Well, I buy a smoothie. Pineapple passion smoothie once they have it. I just want a smoothie because we're sharing of the sushi. And Dari buying something here. And mommy too. I'm only buying 2 sushi. So we're here by this place in Dabody. Oh, the lights are nice here. A nice smoothie. Period.
It's called the thing again? Big fruits. Like 3 days worth of powder.
Let me tell you something, right? You don't drink a lot of this right now, right? If you're taking a little fine, right?
Yeah,
What you buy here is mucus builder, right?
Okay.
Right? So now I'm telling you that. So we going with this? Are we going with it?
Right, you ready for mine?
No, I'm not ready.
Okay. Tell her for your mother one. Pull and stand up for
I like that. I like that.
you. Remember just drop in this rock?
10 out of 10.
And she didn't taste it, you know how it tastes. She didn't taste it.
I don't know which one the whole does know.
You ever love something where you're doing like I learned this in Trinidad. I'm a from Jamaica. And I was working in a punch place and I mastered the business than the boss.
Alright, audience, so here we have it. Some sushi from, I'll put it on the screen. It tastes real good, throwing by the time. And it was delightful. So here we have it. One is Poseidon and one is California roll. And I don't know which one is which. We get some chopsticks and then we get some soy sauce.
From there now coming down with my bitty.
Trevon, where you go? Trevon is a bushy girl, eh?
Oh shit, it connected?
Yeah.
So
Oh,
let's
no.
do it.
This one here.
Open it up.
With your fingers?
Mine not opening. Oh, it is manually. Oh, it's helping you to close down so you can just split it and pick it up.
Yeah, okay, just one. Let me show them. So this one here, Dario, said is the Poseidon.
The one that you read it over? You shut out of it?
Yeah, you tell me the shrimp is the one with the Poseidon.
Okay.
And this is the California roll because this one has crab salad on it. Come, Dario. Come on. How they see in that? I know they see it already.
You see it already?
Yeah, I showed them already.
Okay. So, you wait.
They don't show us. Okay, let me taste the crab salad. Oh,
You're not
cool.
supposed to dip it in a sauce?
It has soy sauce. Where you blowing?
So this raw.
I don't know. One of them is supposed to be cooked. Ooh.
Is
Okay.
somebody holding in your mouth, right?
Well, I don't know. I can't put the whole thing. This is what I'm eating sushi?
No, I'm not first time eating sushi, but first time eating sushi and it tastes good.
First time I taste from this place, I was like, I don't remember sushi tasting this good. Taste man. I feel really don't know which one is one. Just better share.
But it tasting good. It really tastes good.
I'm so happy because I didn't want to be the one to put Dario onto it. And he like, where is one? Nice, eh? I like both, but this one better.
This one cooked. This is you and Poseidon.
Both
They
nice.
both taste good. Like that one tastes sushi and this one tastes.
What I like
cooked
is that
sushi.
it's seasoned properly, boy.
Yeah.
10 out of 10, Dario. I give it a 10 out of 10. It was $90 for each, eh?
Yeah.
No? How much we pay? Yeah. No, big girl? I wish I could taste this. Crab salad.
Oh, good.
Yeah, again, what's up,
Yes.
yo? Green? Is green?
I think that is it, you know. Let's put a whole kind of thing in chopstick.
I like it.
It's pungent, ain't?
I like it. It's ginger.
This big pink
It's
thing.
It's like ginger. Although we need to watch Stranger Things on this, sorry. They get when me go and come out, because I don't have the patience with the
Yeah,
chopsticks.
we go share that one.
I'm clapping in the bell.
Best sushi I ever taste.
Okay, we'll
And I
probably
don't
go
know.
back and
I don't know sushi corn still, eh?
I tell you. So we're gonna watch Stranger Things and eat our sushi.
We can send me by.
Oh, my smoothie tastes real good. Tell them how good it is. It tastes real good. I see my facial expression. I was like, well, let's see it, but yeah. So we're gonna. Why are you looking like that?
Because I'll be on my head foreign.
We're gonna eat all day and watch one episode of Stranger Things because it's already late because already the punch room on we now in a real long talk, like real long talk. So we're gonna watch one episode. One episode and then they're leaving. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I'll think about if I do in a haul. Should I? Tomorrow please go I'll film it. If I do it, I'll film it tomorrow please go.
Not if I come in.
Oh yeah, tomorrow to cook. Oh, I can't wait to cook. Dario coming for lunch. I think I might do a weekly vlog starting from tomorrow please go. But anyhow, I'll probably like this one. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Later.